So question 13, if you're not looking at it, would you just cast your eyes on it now? It's right there at the end. And it's a bit interesting because what it's done, and we've seen this before, is it takes all the same kind of information, but because it sort of phrases it in reverse order, it just looks kind of weird, okay? I'm just still going to approach it in much the same way, which I'm going to start with the important details, such as 17.5% for holiday pay. What else do I know about this? 4 weeks of normal wages and a 35-hour week. 4 weeks wages, that's for holiday pay. And it was, what did I say, 35 hours?
Yeah.
And I think the last thing we know is the total amount she earns over those 4 weeks. What is that number? 2,533.30. Okay, so this is weird because that $2,533.30, it's usually where we end, right? It's like here are all the bits multiplied together, add, and there's the final number. So now we have to go in reverse, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pieces of information and I'm literally going to use them in reverse, right? Now this is the total pay. It includes the holiday loading, right? So therefore, like usually, for instance, I might say, I'm just making this number up. I might say, oh, okay, I usually earn $2,000 over the course of my 4 weeks, but I'm going to get my loading. So therefore, I'm going to multiply by the 117.5, which includes the 100 and the 17.5. Agreed? So this would give me the total amount. But I have the total amount, and I want to go in the other direction. So instead of multiplying by 117.5%, I'm going to divide. Okay. Now, once I do that, I get a number out. Because of the awkwardness of the percentage that we're being asked for, you actually don't get a number of cents. You get 633.325, I think. Okay. Now I'm going to pause there and look at the question, right? See how it says find her normal weekly pay. Wait, hold on. Is that the right number? No, wait, I've done something else. I've done something else first. I've actually, I've got a different number. I'm doing a different operation. Can someone tell me what the number is? 2 something? 2, 1, exactly? Yeah? Okay, excellent. Sorry, I was a line ahead in my working. Now, once you look at that, that means I've taken the loading out of the equation. So this amount here means that's what she actually earned without the loading added on, okay? So now I need to get to, well, if it's now per week, that represents 4 weeks, right? That's 4 weeks. So what do I do with this now? Divide by 4. So I'm going to go 2,156 divided by 4. And I think that's, from memory, I think it's 539. I think 539. It looks about right, because you multiply by 4, you get that. Okay? Now, I want to talk about the last question that I've assigned in 1D. Good Lord, once upon a time I could read 1D and it would just be an innocent combination of a number and a letter. Stupid boy bands. Anyway, okay, now...